this is my homemade organic native garlic pickles, and this is combination of mild, spicy, sweet and sour garlic pickles, and this is served an appetizer. Today I'm going to make homemade garlic pickles, and these are examples of our organic, native or ordinary garlics. And this already removed this and this is already ready to peel out this skin, and these are examples of our organic G1 garlics. As you can compare this clove of this native garlics, and I'm planning to make this G1 garlics pickles, but my husband said you must make this native garlics, because last year last June we harvested, last June, yes, last June we harvested this G1 garlics almost 300 kilos, and this native is almost less than 200 kilos. So some we already sell, and this G1 garlics and also this native garlics, and we are using this one for cooking, and we have to keep also for plant by next month we have to plant, I think, or September. So I'm going to make now this homemade pickle. So watch nyo na lang kung paano ako gumawa ng homemade garlic pickle. Ito na yung aking nabalatan na native or ordinary garlics. So I will add one more clove. Mahirap lang magbalat, pero it's okay. This one teeth must be, we have to cut into two pieces. And the rest, yung mga maliliit ang ngipin, no need to cut. Example like this, yun ito. So no need to cut this one because this is small. So this is enough. And then now we have to start now. Fry first this garlics, peeled garlics. Now we have to turn off the flame, and then we have to put oil. You can use any kind of oil, olive oil, sunflower oil, or whatever you have available. So this kind of oil I'm using, I don't know what name of this oil. I have one bottle here. Here, this one. I don't know what is name of this oil. It's written in Urdu. This is vegetable oil, I think. Canola oil. This is canola oil. Now we have to put some oil here in frying pan. We have to put enough oil. And then we have to wait this one until become hot. And then we have to golden toast this one, golden brown. It's like you are making this peanuts. Yung ano, yung mani ba. So we have to toast this one. We have to wait until golden brown. Hot na yata. Now we can put now this garlics, peeled garlics. Katamtaman lang yung oil. We have to fry this one until golden brown. And these are all my ingredients for my homemade garlic pickles. This is minced ginger, some green chilies, cumin seeds or zira. They call it here zira, this cumin seeds. And this is chili powder and 1 tablespoon of white sugar and 1 teaspoon of salt. And this is what you call this, yung ano, yung fenugreek seeds. Ito yung fenugreek seeds or meti, yung meti tawag nila yung fenugreek dito, fenugreek. No, it's still not cooked, still not brown, still not golden brown. So this is already enough. It's light golden brown, so we have to keep this one in bowl. And now next we have to fry now this what you call this? This is cumin seeds or zira. Now we have to fry this one. What I use in frying this garlics, now I have to use also this one. And we have to put now this fenugreek seeds, or they call as asafoetida or hing. So we have to put 1.5 teaspoon. And then we have to fry in few minutes, 1 minute or 2 minutes like this. And then to be followed by minced ginger and green chili. And then we have to put now this chili powder or red chili flakes. And then salt, 1 teaspoon salt, and sugar, This is mild, spicy, homemade garlics. Homemade garlics pickles. And now we have to add also, to be followed by vinegar. Sirka. They call it sirka here in Urdu language. This vinegar. Suka. And now we can add now this toast or fried garlics. Ayan. Cooking or frying homemade, our organic native garlics. This is mild, spicy, homemade garlics. Pickle, so this is already fried or cooked. Now we have to turn off now the flame, and we have to wait this one become cold, then we have to transfer this one in sterilized bottle. So this is my homemade mild spicy pickles, garlics pickles.